Hey guys, Justin Labato here in Autogeek Show Car Garage, and I'm here to showcase the Diamondite Insect Armor Bundle. Now, this is a great product if you're going on a road trip that you're gonna wanna have in your trunk, in your SUV, your RV, you name it, because this is something that's super easy to apply. It's a very thick formula that will go on the front end or all the leading edges of your vehicle that would be attacked by bugs. It won't stop the bugs from sticking, but it will definitely reduce the amount of damage that will be done by the bugs. And when you do get to your destination, it makes it easy as can be to just go ahead and wipe those bugs right off, wash them off, whatever your methods are. And if by any chance you're just too busy to take it off, once you get to your destination, a couple days, this product won't hurt the paint. That's the best thing about it. So if you're interested in protecting your vehicle against any type of bugs wherever you may live, especially here in Florida, Diamondite Insect Armor Bundle is going to be the key to your success. For more information, visit Autogeek.com.